Oh, hi! Welcome to Travel Maker TV. It has been 2 months since I came here Spain as an exchange student. Time goes so quickly. Actually, I cannot believe that I already spent 2 months in here Spain. Every Monday to Friday as a normal student, I have classes, and every weekend I travel with my friend. So my life in Spain, so far, so good. Today, I have great news for you guys. Since my YouTube channel is started from this April, I made and uploaded many videos about travel vlogs. So I hope you all enjoying to watch them. Personally, I really like shooting video while I travel and edit them after come back home. But one day, I want to do that to different thing or different contents. So I decided to interview videos since I am now in Spain as an exchange student. There are more than 10,000 students in my university, so I will ask some questions about Spanish culture or Spanish stereotype. Additionally, my Japanese friend who is studying here as well will do hot guys interview, which is pretty interesting and very fun video. I already started interviewing and editing them, so it is coming up soon, so please record them. Finally, those who have not subscribed me yet, please do that before my fun videos start. So thank you very much guys, and I will see you next video.